Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to erase SMS and MMS stored on your Android. So there is a method. For example, you can access a messages. You can try to delete from here. You can try to delete one by one, but there is another way. There is a quick way. You can access settings. You can scroll down and tap on additional settings. Again, you can scroll down and tap backup and reset. Here you can tap erase all data and erase SMS and MMS messages stored on this phone. SMS messages stored on this SIM card will be retained. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.